Okay, boys and girls, we're going to create these amazing pattern birds. The first thing that you're going to do is draw a big half circle on your paper and cut it out. Once you have cut out your half circle, you're going to start decorating it. Now you can decorate it by cutting out lines from other pieces or other colors of paper, or you can just use your crayons. So I'm going to cut out some stripes, these blue stripes, and I'm going to glue them down first. After I glue down my lines, I'm going to use crayons to create lines on each part of my bird, making it very detailed and remembering all the lines we have learned so far. Next, I'm going to use a circle, and it can be a lid or just any type of circle, to trace with a crayon for the head of the bird. Once you trace your circle, you can go ahead and use some scissors to cut it out. Next, I'm going to work on cutting out the eyes. So I'm going to cut out a small piece of black paper and cut out a circle. And then I'm going to cut out a slightly larger piece of white paper and cut out a circle. Next, I'm going to get an orange piece of paper and draw a triangle for the beak. And then go ahead and cut that out too. My final step is to cut out the legs, which are going to be two tall, skinny rectangles, and you can make them any color. I made mine purple. And now our final step is to put all of the beautiful bird together. So I'm going to glue on the head, I'm going to glue on the white circle, then I'm going to glue on the black circle to finish the eye. I'm going to glue on the orange triangle to glue on the beak. And finally, I'm going to glue on my tall, skinny rectangles to make the legs. Cannot wait to see what you create. And if you are especially amazing at this project, you might even get a feather or two to add to your bird. Happy creating, guys!